Crazy work, big dog. The athleticism was there though. Let's look at that one more time. This level of athleticism is Olympic level.
Watch out, nigga. Damn, look at Cub.
Jumping through the window, crazy work.
That's making them, Go, nigga. Dead homies, go, nigga. Westside Stevenson, go, nigga. Dead homies, come on, Cub.
Well, everybody going back there, it seems like everybody wants to get a job at churches.
Shit back, gang. Gang. Brother. Hey, brother. Tell Cub come get his shit back. Tell Cub come get his shit back. Tell Cub come
Wait, how did you get his earrings?
get his shit back. Dead homies on YSL Crip. Oh, YSL Crip. Oh, YSL Crip. Oh, YSL Crip. Oh, YSL Crip. Come get your shit back, gang. YSL Crip. Fuck they talk about on BG gang, nigga. Fuck cheese and they dead homies, nigga. YSL gang, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga.
It's ugly for baby Bam from East Coast.